Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to quote block on Reddit. Let's begin. Initially, you have to make sure that you are logged into your Reddit account. Once you go to reddit.com, you will be greeted by something like this, the index page. Now we simply want to create a post. Let us write a title and write the text. Simply highlight the text that you want to block quote, and on the menu bar of this tab, if you scroll over, you will find something like quote block. It looks like two commas. Simply click on it, and this is how you quote block in Reddit. Simply select the community and post it. As you can see, a quote block has been generated on your post. Well, that's it for the video guys. That is how you quote block on Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.